What's up everyone, I'm BusyLess and welcome to my channel, which is all about making music and getting better at it every day. What comes first to your mind when you think about guitar amp simulators like the VSTs? I bet there probably will be AMPITUBE, Guitar Rig or Bias FX. But what if I told you there is another plugin that some say sounds awesome and it still costs less? But does it really? The plugin we will be talking about is called Tonelib GFX. It's not only a guitar amp simulator, but of course has a large set of effects, tuner, metronome, looping station, rhythm maker, coffee maker. Well, not the last one obviously. So today we will be checking some of its options and how does it sound like. This video is not sponsored by Tonelib, although they have reached out to me asking for some feedback. So whatever you see in this video is purely my opinion, whether you like it or not. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so I have it here in my favorites. Let's drop it in here to the new audio track. And this is the main window of the plugin. It has all the bits and pieces. We have presets here. We have main effects chain here. We have some adjustments in the bottom. I'm going to show you that in a second. And we have some spare effects and amps here. And then we also have some metronome and some other stuff here and tuner here. This is a VST version of a plugin, but the standalone one also has a rhythm player, backing track player, looping station, and ideas recorder. These are really nice options, but we won't be focusing on these today. We will focus on most important thing, the sound. Okay, so let's arm my guitar, set up everything, and make some noise. If you aren't sure how to record your guitar in Ableton, check the video in the card, pause the video, watch it, then go back, or just watch the video at the end. Okay, let's grab my guitar. Let's set up everything. Okay, ready to go. Let's listen to some of the presets. Okay, something maybe different. Classic does. What do I have here? Driven power. Rock and roll party. Superb lead. Not too bad. Metal lead. Not so bad. Compressed air. Okay. Now, knife fights. What else can we check? Something 27 Trooper. Nice, nice. I didn't expect it to be so good, actually. Okay, so let's build a setup preset ourselves then. So let's go to the empty presets. We have nothing here. Let's hide this window here. We don't need it. Now let's go to the effects. So first thing we need, probably gonna be amp anyway, but let's start with dynamics filter. Let's go with the noise reducer. This is a nice thing to reduce our noise. Sometimes if we have like humming cables or some other interference. Now let's go to the amp simulators. Let's find something interesting. We have Randall, we have Fender, we have Fox, AC30. Yeah, let's go with this one then. Okay, now we want to add maybe a cabinet. Cabinet, guitar IRS cabinet. Okay, let's go with this. Well, we have quite a lot of them here. Look. Let's go with Box AC30, so it matches the amp. Okay. How does it sound now? Bit quiet. So let's boost it up a little bit. Which distortion will we take? Let's go with this one. Okay. Not too bad. What else can we add? Let's add some modulation at the end. But let's boost the signal anyway. So let's go to the amp and let's boost it up with the level. Gain. Okay, let's play with the parameters here. Distortion drive. Okay, tone, what does it do? Okay, let's add a little bit of a treble and presence. Okay, let's go also to get some reverb. Let's get studio reverb. Let's put it at the end. Not that wet, just a tiny bit. And also we can see this is a stereo effect, so it will produce a stereo sound. Let's go with a little bit of modulation as well. So let's go with like a, I don't know, a little phaser. Probably, well, just here. Oh, not that much. You have different types of phaser: Boss, MXR, phase 90, MXR, phase 100. Okay, a bit hardcore for me, so let's delete that. And we can then find maybe a chorus. Let's go with the chorus. So we see building a preset is actually really simple and really fast. And what else we can add? We can add something at the end. Let's go with the dynamics and let's find something nice. Tube warmth. Let's put it at the end. It's gonna have that little warmth to the signal. Can boost the input a little bit. It just adds a little bit of the harmonics. Okay, well, not too bad. I like it. So basically that's how you do it. Very simple, very easy. But let's check some more stuff. Can you download more presets? Yes, there's an online community tab that you can log in within the app and browse the presets, and it's here. And you can just simply load any presets you like straight to the app and play it. What if I don't have an acoustic guitar and I need to track the acoustic guitar today, like now? No problem, slap the acoustic effect, which is here in Dynamics. To its bottom at the beginning of your chain, somewhere here, and you have an acoustic guitar. What if I want the sound of a single pickup and my guitar only has 2 humbuckers? Still not a problem. Let's go to the pickup modifier and stop it at the beginning as well, and we can change mode from humbucker to single. And you have a Telecaster. Kinda. Will it work with bass? Yes, oh yes. Will it work with glockenspiel?
Yes.
Anyway, do you want to know how much does this plugin cost? It's $59.99 as of recording this video. And you can download a 30-day trial of the plugin, so it's really worth a try. Why not? Now let's turn to the dark side. Okay, so what's wrong with the plugin? There is no way to create your favorite list of presets. You can move them up and down, but you cannot create your favorite ones. Although you can possibly move them all the way up and create your favorite list like that. So keep your favorite presets at the beginning, like so. I guess that's the only way for now. The second thing, online presets are working quite slow. Actually, the browsing online presets work really slow. If we go here, requesting data, then changing between the pages takes a little time. And they're still like loading. And don't try to sort them by anything like author or likes or comments. It might work, but it also might take ages to do so. And once I had to force quit my Ableton, which hurts. And what are my suggestions? What they could improve on that plugin? First, you can create groups of presets like lead presets, clean presets, or like crunchy or metal or bass presets. So for example, I have a bass guitar. I can quickly filter them through the presets made for bass guitar. Like maybe some cloud tags or something like that. I guess that would be easy to do and will help a lot. And you can also make the effects and amp icons slightly bigger. Like you see, there's clearly loads of space around. We can utilize that and use that to make it a little bit better. It's not that you need to see all the knobs or anything, but just to have it slightly bit bigger, that would look nice in my opinion. Now tell me, have you ever tried this plugin before, or have you heard about it, or are you planning to use it? Let me know in the comments down below. So, my quick opinions on the software. It's really nice, worth downloading, worth trying. If you like it, buy it. If you don't like it, well, there's some other software you can use, of course. I personally like it and use it on most of my music recently that I'm creating and trying out some new things. And if you want to record your guitars that they sound like really heavy and really like heavy metal falling down from the sky, there's a quick way to do it. Just watch my video here. I have some answers for you how to do it. Keep on shredding these guitars, keep on slapping the bass and slap the piano, but not too hard. And that's it from me for today. Thanks so much for watching and see you guys in the next video. Cheers.